This is where we had a chance to take our Hartech closed deck 102.7 millimeter replacement cylinder that we've used from everything from, you know, Sunday cruisers to endurance racing engines and 987s and 997s and kind of the cornerstone of our 4.1 engines. And we actually adapted that down to the 996.1. Now then, the 996.1 has a shorter stroke crank, much like the Cayman, and it also has much smaller valves on the heads, and so we're a little more limited there. And so we wanted to see what it would do. We did do just like a little bit of back cutting and a little bit of seat work on it to try and get a little bit more out of it, but essentially these heads have not been ported, and normally we see about 325 to 330 horsepower out of our 3.7 liter builds. And so by going up to the 3.9 with the additional displacement and just a little bit of head work, we were able to get up to 341 horsepower. And so that was a win. We're kind of excited. Soon we'll see what it does with some ported heads and see how much farther we can just continue developing and pushing this platform as well.